So we just got off the ship across the street there, and we are going to follow the blue line. You see that? And there it is on the ground, of course. Blue line, blue line, blue line. There's an OXXO. Hi. It's like 7-Eleven. Circle K. And look, there's a beautiful local down there, posing in a Port Monkey shirt. Well, that must be Janet. But you see the blue line on the ground, and it's like a tile or something. I don't remember that. And there's a blue line in the street too, in case you want to drive it, I guess. So we're just going to follow the blue line as well as possible, as long as we see it. So across the street there, you see the blue line. It's not on the sidewalk there, but now it's back up on the sidewalk. And it goes down here. And I think it makes a left right here. Huh, get that? Left, right? We should cross because I see it on the sidewalk over there. And here's another handy policeman. We came from that way. We're going that way.
Yeah.
It looks like we're going to make a right here. And there's another policeman. That's the third one we've seen.
I'm saying it's going to go left, maybe. Nope, you're correct. Going right.
This is a church. I don't know which one. So, that way. We've been walking fairly straight for a little while now. We've gone about 3/4 of a mile. And if you look down that way, that's the Discovery Princess right there. You can see it. Did you see it? Blue line, linea azul. And sparrows taking dirt baths like they like to. A lot of dogs barking. Now we're coming into maybe restaurants and things.
Condos.
Yeah, condos. It's like a mall, offices, whatever, storefronts. Across this busy intersection, we came to this sign that said Blue Line ending. But Historical Center, follow Historic Center straight ahead. So that's what we're going to do. Follow the Historic Center straight ahead. Well, we're still walking straight, as we have been. I think in the tourist center, the map we looked at for a minute showed the blue line being much longer. I think it showed this as being blue line, but there's no blue line here, just blue sign. So we've still been walking straight the whole way now for a long time. Cat. And I think we're gonna walk into some building. So this must be the Historic Center, because they're guarding it. And we're gonna temperature check. They made us use hand sanitizer over there. This was a straight shot after we turned. And so this is a big old building here. And we're gonna walk here and look for giant ice cream cones. Because I know there's giant ice cream cones here somewhere. Ah, there's one. And men with small heads. Like so. The blue line ended back behind us. We walked by that giant ice cream cone back there. We did walk through the square, but then we came back to this street. It's like 2 blocks up and 2 blocks over to the cathedral, something like that. So we'll find out. So we came from right down there. We came to this street, yeah, with the Kodak building. Kodak Professional. I'm not sure what that is. But if you look closely, you can see the spires, the twin yellow spires of gold of the cathedral. So we're going to go that way and up to it. Shouldn't be hard to find now. So we came from down there, just a block and a half. Remember the town square is a left from here. We turned right on this street. There's a lot of shops along here. And if you look over that way, you'll see the cathedral. See that? Now all we got to do is cross this street. And I guess you just do it. I mean, maybe there's a crosswalk, maybe not. So there it is. I'm going to lean way back here, although I guess you could just move the picture around. It's got this metal screen on it for some reason. I don't know if it keeps the birds out, maybe. There it is. And there's Janet. We're just outside the port gates in Mazatlan. The ships are right over there. If you go that way, down there to the end of the road there, you can catch the ferry over to Stone Island. Or if you swerve off that way, you can go to El Faro, the lighthouse, on top of the hill there. Mirador de Cristal is up there. The glass sidewalk. So let's go in. Hi. And this is like a little handicraft part over here, and then there's more shops there, and the port gates and the ships. And there we are out. Princess. Grazie. So from Mazatlan, Mexico, this is Garrett.
And Janet.
Say.
See you in the next port.